What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Logic Joy, where we solve simple looking problems that hide surprising answers, and I will teach you how to think carefully and solve related problems. Today's question says 6 minus 4 multiplied by 6 minus 4. This problem looks easy. That's exactly why so many people get it wrong. And I will teach you every detail easily. Look carefully. 6 minus 4 gives us what? 2. And this 6 minus 4 gives us 2. 2 times 2, since they are connected by multiplication, 2 times 2 gives us 4. Right? Is this the correct answer? Think carefully. No, this is not the correct answer. Why? In mathematics, we have a rule called BODMAS. Also, some others call it PEMDAS. Either way, they are correct, but let's understand what this means. BODMAS stands for bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This means we have to prioritize bracket when bracket is given the highest priority among any operation, then order, which is the power forms, exponential forms, and any others. Then division is given the third priority among other operations, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction is given the least priority. So here we missed this multiplication. We didn't give this the given priority for multiplication. Instead, we subtracted these numbers and then this. Then finally, we have multiplied the answers of those operations. So we get the answer not correct. When solving it correctly, we will get the following answer. Let's solve this from the beginning now. So according to BODMAS rule, we have to prioritize this multiplication. Thus, we have to multiply negative 4 by 6. Thus, negative 4 by 6 gives us what? 20? Negative 24, right? Negative 24. Then there is 6 here, and there is negative 4 from here. So 6 minus 24 gives us what? Negative 18. Right? Negative 18 minus 4 gives us what? Negative 22. This is now the correct answer, 100% the correct answer. So according to BODMAS, we have to give the priority for multiplication in this case. So you have to think this much carefully in this tricky question and in related tricky questions. So the answer will be what? Negative 22. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe to see related problems in mathematics. Thank you.